So hey y'all, and welcome back to Leesah's Cottage. Today's video is a collab video. Lindsey from Domer Home contacted me and asked if I would be interested in joining her and another YouTuber, Heidi. Lindsey and Heidi are the hosts of this DIY floral challenge collab, and I told Lindsey I would love to join them in this collab. Also joining this collab is a host of YouTube creators. So we'll just go over what I have here and what I already had and what I picked up to add to this. Basically, I shopped my own home for this look today. I knew the look that I was going for, so I just went throughout my home and started shopping, collecting the pieces that I seen in my mind's eye, put them all off in a space by itself and just continued to build. And then I looked over it to see what I might need to pick up to add to the look, and I will show you the pieces that I did end up picking up to add to this look. And it was $20 or less what I spent to add to today's look. When Lindsey had told me it, or she had sent me an email when she had written that it was going to be a DIY floral challenge, I knew that somehow, some way that I wanted to be able to add my tea set into today's piece that I came up with. And of course I had my tea set for some years now, and that was one of the items I seen in my mind's eye that I wanted to be able to incorporate into what I came up with today. So there's the teacups along with the individual spoons, and then this is the smaller lantern of the three. I thought I was going to be able to use the 3 lanterns. That was too much, so I pulled the middle lantern and I end up using the large lantern and the smallest lantern. And then I have the 3 little blue ceramic birds that I already had that are nesting there in the smaller lantern. And then I have the 2 candle sticks and the 2 candles. Already had those. And then the pink scarf there, already had it. I used that in my Valentine's inspired collab. Now the magnolias I picked up to add to today's look, so I picked that up. And then I already had the bird. And you'll see another one like it. So there's 2 on the table. And then I already had the blush colored peonies. And then I added to that look because I wanted the look of the flowers puddling out of the lantern here. So that is another magnolia I picked up. I picked up 3 total. And then there is 1 tucked back into the lantern there. But I knew I wanted the look here of the flowers spilling out or puddling out of the lantern, and that's the look that I was going for. And then I had the lantern already. That's the large lantern. And I picked up this bow, and it's just tucked there on the lantern door. The burlap bow. And then you can just see the flowers through the glass there of the lantern. And then there's the other bird. I'm sure you've seen him around the house, the 2 of them. They got dressed up for Christmas, so they were in my Christmas decor. And then I had the pink plates from the Valentine inspired collab, as well as a second pink scarf there with a fringe on it. And then the flowers that are just bubbling there out from under this plate stand that I already had. And I did pick up these flowers at the same time I picked up the magnolia flowers. So I picked up the magnolia flowers, these flowers, and this bow. That's what I picked up to add to today's look. And then the teapot, the sugar bowl, the creamer, and the tray. So there is my look. That's what I came up with for the DIY floral challenge, my main piece, my main focal point was the lantern, or is this lantern with the flowers I already had, and then I added a couple more so I could get that look of it kind of flowing out of the lantern there. So there is what I came up with. And I will leave this up for about a week or so, and then I may end up just rolling it into an Easter look. So stay tuned to see what I might do. But also the fun part is having the pieces and being able to shop your home and being able to pull it all together to the look that you see in your mind's eye. And like I said, I started with this largest lantern here. That was the main thing I was going for. If you like this, would you give me a thumbs up, please? If you've not already subscribed, I would ask if you would subscribe. If you're coming over from one of the other lovely creators here on YouTube, if you're coming from their channel, hey, welcome. I hope you would subscribe and stick around. I'm looking forward to seeing what everybody's put together. I've not even been able to take a peek yet, but as soon as I get this video done, uploaded, and set for live, I get to see what all you all have done, and I bet it is absolutely beautiful. So thank you, Lindsey, for inviting me into your DIY floral challenge, and thank you, Heidi. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for allowing me into your homes and your hearts and your lives. This is what I'm going to say. Until we meet again, you all take good care, and bye-bye.